Hello everyone, Andarki Namaskaram. So whoever is watching this video right now, I really hope and pray, and I genuinely mean when I say that you and your loved ones and the people around you are in good health and good spirits. In life we face a lot of highs and lows. I always believe in this fact, and I always advise everybody around me, or whoever I come across with some instability in their lives, that when things are going your way, you be grateful. When they're not going your way, you just be graceful and move ahead to be grateful again. So we all are very okay with talking about मुझे आज सर दर्द हो रहा है, रोज तल नొప్పిగా ఉంది, रोज కడుపు నొప్పిగా ఉంది, I'm very tired today, my hands are aching, my head is aching, and things like that. But when it comes, when you're depressed, when some things are wrong in your head and in your life, somehow there is a stigma around that people will judge you and they take you for granted. It's very important that you're in well-being in your head also. So everybody, there's no excuse, be it the biggest of personalities or somebody you don't even, you just blink and miss. Everybody has issues when it comes to life. They all have their own levels of highs and lows in their lives. How people survive those situations is because they talk about it. And I seriously say you should just, from that low mood, I always say that I'm a big Harry Potter fan, and something which I really connected with that film is that there is this particular, I mentioned it earlier also, there is this particular spell that, it's of course fiction and socio fantasy. There's a spell called Expecto Patronum. I think a lot of teens will relate to this. So when Harry Potter needs to he comes across a creature called Dementor, who sucks the soul out of you, which actually literally means the happiness out of you. That's when Harry Potter is supposed to remember all the happy moments in his life, all the happy people in his life, and apply that spell. That's when that scares the Dementor. There is so much of meaning in it. When you're going to the most depressed phase of your life and you think there's no other way, do not. That's when you have to think of the ways in your life. Think about all the happy moments that life gave you. Talk to people. I seriously mean, you just look around the world and talk to people. If you still didn't find that right person to speak to in your life, if at all, I'm sure it's just in your head, but you do have, and it's just that in all the jazz that you're going in your head, you're not able to see who you can approach to. If this is a situation currently or in future, anytime, please reach out to Beyond Academics, which is run by our favorite Suma Kanakala Garu, and you know how inspiring she leads her life to all of us, in association with another strong person and woman called Madhavi Garu, who runs this amazing NGO called Ananya Learning Center. Description lo kinda you have the details, the contact number. If you are still not ready to reveal yourself and when you're discussing your problems, please feel free to connect through us with the email ID which is given in the description below. I am also going to be a part of this initiative in whatever way I can. This world is a very beautiful place to live in. I'm just reaching out to all of you that even I, Suma Garu, a lot of people you look up to have their lows in their lives also. We survive because we talk to each other, and we are there right now through this association to be in touch with you, to show you what you're not able to see about the beautiful things to live ahead. Take care. We'll be in touch.